Okay, so this is supposed to be I think it's called a case steam locomotive. Yeah, it's a case. There it is. And this does not run. He's going to replace apparently the boiler with that boiler. And here is the inside of the boiler that's apparently going to be removed. And the tubes are out. There's some rusting going on already. And here's the other side of it. You can see the gears. Well, maybe you can. Maybe you can't. But this is a lap, or this is not a lap seam. This is a butt seam, double riveted boiler. Here's the steering mechanism. It's a screw and it pulls on the chains. The chains pull on the steering axle.